Lasers, as a type of precision equipment, have a significant impact on modern industry and daily life. Today, we would like to present to you the working principles and applications of lasers. The principle of lasers begins with the explanation of the photoelectric effect. When a material is exposed to light, the electrons in the atoms absorb photons from the incident light field, transitioning from a lower energy level to a higher one. When the particles at the higher energy level are again struck by photons, they transition back to a lower energy level and emit a photon. This photon has the same wavelength and frequency as the initial incident photon. These two photons then interact with other particles, thereby generating a larger number of identical photons, achieving light amplification, which is what we refer to as a laser. Laser gain media refer to the material systems used to achieve population inversion and produce light amplification by stimulated emission, sometimes also called laser gain mediums, so they can be solid gases, semiconductors, and liquids. Pumping sources are like devices or mechanisms that provide the energy required to achieve and maintain population inversion in laser gain media. Common pumping sources include flash lamps, Kipton lamps, and semiconductor lasers. Other common components in lasers include the optical cavity, which ensures that the photons inside the cavity have a consistent frequency, phase, and direction of travel, thus giving the laser good directionality and coherence. The optical cavity can shorten the length of the working substance and can also regulate the mode of the laser produced by changing its own length. Therefore, most lasers have an optical cavity. Common laser applications include laser cutting, laser welding, laser beauty treatments, and laser projection, among others. We have had several successful cases in these areas. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to know more about, feel free to discuss with us. You can also visit our website or send us an email. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will showcase various cooling solutions for different lasers, hoping to provide a reference for your project.